Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hairstyles and hair transformations. First up, we have the stunning structured bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. The cutting is so precise and sharp. The stylist did an amazing job with that one. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we have the undercolor trend. This one features a very beautiful design. Very bold and vibrant hair color. And as we enter in 2023, we're going to be seeing some very bold hair. So this is right in line with what we are seeing this season. Next up, we see someone with platinum hair, beautiful hair shade. It looks like the stylist gave her a beautiful pixie. The color is absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone styling their pixie haircut. So she's adding in some beautiful curls with the baby flat iron. Her hair color is rather unique as well. It's like a really pretty mix of gray and silver. And she also has more of that undercut style with a design going as well. And then we see another haircut transformation. This one is from one of my favorite stylists, Philip Wolf. It looks like he is doing more of like a layered haircut style. And then after cutting the hair, he goes ahead and does a blowout. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed all of the hairstyles within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and of course I will see you in the next one.